everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ursi. I'm going to just be showing you guys how I clean my kitchen. It's a very small kitchen, but it does need a lot of work. And so what I'll do in the very beginning is just start putting the dishes away from the dishwasher from the night before. And this is a very messy kitchen day, and so there's a lot to be done, and so these dishes just go where they belong so that I can get to the dirty dishes that are on the sink. Organizing them is super important, and I make sure that I use an organizer here for my spoons and my forks and all that. And I also make sure I put away all the dirty dishcloths or the cloths that I use to just clean up around the area that need to be washed, and put them in that little ice cream bucket that I reuse and just put them to wash. Next, I'm gonna be starting on the dishes, which is seriously the hardest part. Look at this, look at these dishes. Could I have any more dishes? I probably could. Just being honest. And then the pots and pans that need to be scrubbed, I make sure that I use a copper scrubby that just gets it all clean. And then make sure that I trap all the food in that little drain and then throw it away. So I got all the dishes in the dishwasher, and now it is time to clean the sink. I'm just wiping down the counters to make sure that they're all squeaky clean with my favorite method all-purpose cleaner that smells like lavender and smells delicious, and it's all natural, guys. Now you make sure I use it for the microwave too. It's just a really good cleaner. I would highly recommend it. This is my favorite scrubby ever. It's not too harsh and it's not too soft, so it's perfect for wiping down this kitchen stove top. It is really amazing, and they sell them at HEB. I will make sure and put a link if I can to that store if you're in Texas. Texas has HEB. I'm sure that I could also find a duplicate that looks similar to this one at another store, and I'll make sure and link that too. During this time, I have lots of bagged fruit and lots of things that I have brought in, and so I'll make sure and put it out in the basket so that I'm able to access it better, and it just looks a lot neater and nicer. And putting the things away up in the top shelf, I actually don't have a pantry in this house since it's a very small kitchen, so I just use the top shelf as my pantry. It feels so good to look at it all clean like that. Make sure and just move out all the things that I do keep on my countertop, which are not many, and just make sure that I clean behind there because dust and little food particles will creep up behind there. And make sure that I take out my trash, because how can I put more trash in it if it isn't taken out, right? I'll make sure and wipe down all my countertops and cupboards so that they are looking clean. A lot of times they can be these grease absorbers, and it's very important to wipe them down at least once a week. The trash can needs love too, right guys? So moving on, it's important that you do preheat your oven for self-cleaning mode. I've done this before and put it on for, takes about 3 hours for the whole job to be complete, but trust me guys, it is 100% worth it. I would just wake up in the morning and set it up so that it can do it while you're getting ready, and then just have it ready to go, because once it's done, the dirt is literally just dust particles and just comes off. And so if your oven has that setting, use it guys. I was very adamant about not using it before, and I have now learned that it's a valuable money saver and time saver, but time is money, right? I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians in the background. And these floors need sweeping constantly. If you guys have dark floors, you guys know the struggle. They need to be swept every single day and mopped. And I love using the Method products. I began using the Method products when I was pregnant. A lot of the products that I had previously would give me headaches, and so I didn't really have a lot of options. I began using the Method, and I just continue using it because it's just so good and it doesn't give me headaches like other products do. And ta-da!
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you guys like this video and you want to see similar videos of me cleaning, organizing, and all those types of things that you do in the home, just give a like to this video at the bottom and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys like it, what you liked about it. Thank you guys.